Yo, what's up, world? It's OneDeep's, Mr. Show, them boys, Texas Rangers Entertainment. It's the new year, 2022, and I'm going to do an update video on OneDeep's 1965 Oldsmobile Regency 98 here at In and Out Automotive. A lot of people want to know what the holdup is on this car. This car is a 1965. It's a different body style than the 63 and the 66, which means they don't make this gas tank anymore. So we're just gonna drop the tank and repair the tank. A lot of boys slabbing cars. Oh, I see Rodney got the tank down. A lot of boys slabbing cars but not putting no emblems on them. I don't even know if it's a Cadillac, Chevrolet, Pontiac, Buick, Oldsmobile. Boys got drops with no tops. Painted cars with no emblems. Niggas wait till they 50 years old to slab a car. I got the LED lights, electric antennas, everything for the 65. Like I said, we didn't know if we can get a tank or not for it, so we decided to drop the tank that was in it and repair that, work with that. So we got the tank down. We're gonna start the new year off like that. LED lights, electric antennas. It's the update. 2022, OneDeep's 1965 Oldsmobile 98. You boys ain't no slab riders. You boys didn't start riding slabs till you was 45, 50 years old. When Kragers was out, you ain't had not one set. Pussy. Got that tank drop. This the last thing here. OneDeep's, Mr. Show, them boys, Texas Rangers Entertainment. Soundcloud.